Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update we're going to talk about some of the trends that are intact, why we would define these as being intact, and then also look at some of the opportunities that have arisen with some of these trends correcting. So we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ, the Russell, and also the 10 and 30-year bond in this update. The one thing they all have in common is they are all downtrends. So let's talk about, well, what does it take to be in a downtrend? Well, I definitely, and we have for a while, had the 8 to 10 red grab candles in a row. That opens the door to bearishness. And then we have the JT Multi, 8, 13, 21, 34 EMAs telling us that, yeah, this has been in a downtrend since mid to late January. So these are not new downtrends. These are not downtrends that are based on the psychology of the geopolitics that are happening right now. This has nothing to do really with Russia, Ukraine in terms of why we have the downtrend. Yes, maybe some volatility, but not why we have the downtrend. So let's take a look at the Russell. Let's take a look at that downtrend. Red over red, dominant red grab candles, rejected within the wave. Again, a lot of volatility in this current candle. You notice that, 1,000-point move in the NAS. Here we have about 100-point move in the Russell. These are huge moves in these indices. So the first question is, Raghee, is this potentially a bottom? Is this the end of the downtrend? Too soon to tell, gang. If a downtrend that's been established since mid to late January and has dozens of red grab candles already established with a red over red moving average structure, one candle is not going to undo the, well, this one candle does not undo it. And it really takes more than one or two candles it takes a lot more than one or two candles to reestablish an uptrend. So yes, you can break a trend in just a handful of candles, but you cannot make a trend in just a handful of candles. And I'll say the same thing as with the NASDAQ. A massive recovery, absolute 13,000, right? Buyers stepping in and supporting that, and then buying begets more buying. Momentum begets more momentum. And here we are, up at 14,000 just like that. What a move. Does it change the trajectory of the downtrend? Actually, not even a little bit. We didn't even take out the Wednesday highs. Admirable move off the lows, but not a needle mover in terms of the structure of the downtrend. And by the way, I want to mention this because I know we talked about this in these videos. This is where we're short from. So yeah, clearly I'd rather see the close near 13,000 for the short that we took up at 15,000, but we're sitting just fine with a short at 15,000 moving to 14, right? We're still 1,000 points in this trade, okay? So these are not going to shift the trajectory. Now, when we do get a bounce, and we had a significant one of the ZB, we had a significant one of the ZN. The fact that the ZN was able to hold the structure of the wave, the 34 EMA wave, the fact that we exhausted in this area, look, ZN, IEF, these are terrific overall, long puts in IEF or short ZN, these are terrific trades. These are the kind of trades that we want to take advantage of with the macroeconomic trend of higher rates firmly in place. Now, ZB, this is where the Darvis is so powerful. There's a Darvis level right in here. Look at how we tagged that perfectly. If you're not using the automated Darvis 2.0 or even the Darvis 3.0 premium automated tool, get it on your chart. Countdowntrader.com. Get that Darvis 2.0 because as we crushed, and we just broke this wave, we did not change. Take a look at this JT Multi. Did not even flinch. This is still definitely a downtrend, right? Did not even flinch. So if we know this Darvis is waiting, resistance. We know the wave was an opportunity, resistance. And look at where we closed. Right back on the lower end of the wave. TLT puts, ZB, short, absolutely valid. So today was a really great day for traders looking for continuation on trends or opportunities to take advantage of corrections of trends that we have absolutely been waiting on. put these candles and put the JT multi, put the wave, put the Darvis on your chart. It's going to give you the framework you need to make your decisions and have the confidence to stick with the trend. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.